What's up, guys? Agish Kautal here, representing EK Fitness. You know the title right. 42 hours of fasting.
You're gonna die. You're gonna lose all kinds of muscle. You're gonna faint. You're going to faint. It's not good for your stomach. Oh, I can't fast. I can't fast because when I fast, I break down muscle. I need to eat 6 to 8 times a day. I need to do that because otherwise my muscles will be burned off.
So, how many of you guys have heard this bullshit myths? 40 mark fast, right? So what that basically means is the extended period of intermittent fasting. Basically, intermittent fasting is where you do typically for 16 and 8 hours. 16 hours you've been fasting. What I did was I extended that to all the way up to 40 hours, right? So is this safe? A. B. I'm going to talk about what I felt and how it was, like what was the experience, and can you do it, right? So let's get on with it. So I have done 30 hours fast previously, when I was doing contest prep, but I never hit the 40-hour mark. So I just want to give it a try and hit the 40-hour mark. I ended up fasting for 42 hours. This is one of the fasts which you can do it to shock your body. A. B. Lose the stubborn belly fat, like really stubborn belly fat. Like when you're doing like 16 hours every day, like I do 20 hours every day, right? And getting down to a very low body fat percentage. And I say very low, I'm not saying like 6 or 5, I'm saying 8, 9, 10. People think they're usually 12% body fat, but they think that they're 8% body fat. Alright, so it's usually 10, 9, 8% body fat. Below 8 is unhealthy. Okay, I don't recommend anyone going below 8%. So while doing this fasting, the first thing what I noticed was, and I didn't do the fast during I didn't shoot the video, I didn't film it because I didn't want to plan the fast, right? You have to listen to your body for this kind of fast because these are huge fasts, like 40 hours of no food. So I listened to my body, and my body was like really full, like my glycogen stores were full, and I was feeling really energetic. So that's why I decided to do the fast, right? I didn't have any cravings. So you have to listen to your body and then give it a shot. So how was the experience? So what I did was, if you've seen the video below, the previous video, the calisthenics video, that was the day when I decided to do the 40 hours intermittent fasting. So after that workout, I didn't eat anything for the full night, and the next day full I didn't eat up to 4 o'clock. So I stopped my eating time at 9 o'clock previous day. So 9 o'clock till 9 is 12 hours, right? And I did the calisthenic video around in the afternoon, and the full day I didn't eat, right? So that's 9 to 9:12. Again 9 is again 12. That's 24 hours, right? And then from 9 to again 9 is 36 hours, and from 9 to 4 is 42 hours. So I ate my first meal at 4 o'clock. Now, how was I feeling? I was feeling amazing, right? Like the energy level was so high, I couldn't go to sleep, right? There's a couple of factors for this. A, like your serotonin doesn't release in your head, right, which is a relaxing hormone. So if you don't eat anything, insulin doesn't release. Okay, insulin's always low, right? My human growth hormone was high, and my adrenaline was high because the body thinks you're starving, you're gonna die, right? So your body won't let you to sleep. Synthetic nervous system kicks in, and you're going to feel alert, right? That's how people used to get food. If you see the olden age, right, not the golden age, the caveman period, right, people used to hunt for food, right? So they used to hunt during the day and then eat at night. So when they were hunting, right, they had no food in the stomach, so the body was primed. Like I would say this is the hunting mode. So your body kicks on all the fat burning hormones. A, B, it shoots up the adrenaline and all the other exciting hormones. So you always, your energy levels are very high, right? People say that you're going to die, and you're not going to keep up to it. You're going to feel low. It's all other way around. If you do it, you get to know. You feel so high that like you can't go to sleep, right? Because your amount of energy in the body, because the body thinks you're not getting any food, so it's burning all the fat for energy. A, B, it's manipulating the hormones. So your adrenaline is shot up, your human growth hormone is shot up, your insulin is low, the serotonin is low, so you don't feel that satiating, relaxing thing. Because how many of you guys eat food and then feel little sleepy or relaxed, right? Because of the hormone, that's the hormones playing, right? The insulin spiked up, the serotonin released, so you feel little sleepy, relaxed. If you don't eat any food, guess what happens? You're very high and you're very excited, and I won't say excited, but your energy levels are so high, it's really high, right? I couldn't go to sleep, seriously. for that day. And should you give it a try? Well, what I was doing is I was gradually cutting, right? So if any of you guys are trying to lose weight, I always recommend gradually cut. So I would gradually decrease my calories from like 2000, then 1700, and then when I come to the last point where I can't reduce my calories further, that's when I start incorporating these kinds of fasting. And you guys, if you want to do it, I wouldn't say like directly hit for 42 hours, right? Always start with 16. Like if you guys are doing intermittent fasting, 16 hours, 20 hours, and then shoot for at least 30 hours, and then if you're good, comfortable, your body's okay, body's getting used to it, then once upon a time just hit the 40-hour mark, right? You will be amazed with the energy levels in your body, and it's a good feeling, man. Like you feel so focused, right? I was able to do a lot of work with that period. So give it a try, and you're not going to die like people say, or it's always experiment with the body. So like 40 hours, 42 hours for me was like amazing. Like hunger issues was there, right? Little bit here and there, but other than that, it was great. So give it a try and do let me know.